Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at everybody's favourite junctions, the dreaded roundabouts. Everybody freaks out, especially when they're learning about roundabouts, not knowing what they should be doing, where they should be going, how they should be positioning themselves, what they're looking for. Is it a blocker there? What is a blocker? Who knows what I'm supposed to do? So in this video we're going to be trying to make it a little bit more simplified. With blocking vehicles, it's vehicles which are coming from your right hand side which are going to stop anything pulling out from the right. So easier way to look at this is if you're approaching a roundabout and you can see over the top of it, what you need to start thinking about is what I need to do to make sure that that vehicle is blocking anything coming from the right. So as soon as they enter the roundabout, anything coming from your right hand side will be slowing down and potentially stopping, which will give you an opportunity to go. So don't just look to the right hand side. The right hand side is not going to give you all the information you need. You need to be looking at the whole roundabout. Is there something coming from the left which will come all the way around with the right indicator to stop everything from moving? So on this road now we've got 3 roundabouts. We've got one large, one medium and one small roundabout. The first roundabout, we're going to be taking a third exit. The second roundabout, we're going to have 2 lanes on approach and we're going to be taking a second exit. And then the third roundabout, we're going to have 2 lanes on approach and we're going to be taking the first exit. So 3, 2, 1. Just we're trying to cover all bases on these roundabouts. So everything's all good around me at the moment. So I'm going to move away. Final check over that shoulder, make sure everything's safe. I said in one of my previous videos that you need to challenge yourself as many times as you can. Roundabouts are a very, very good challenge. Whoever's teaching you, if you get them to help you look for things just to give you a better understanding, even if you've got to park the car up, stand by the roundabout and just look at the roundabout, see where the vehicles are going, just to give you an idea of what you need to do. So we're going to be approaching the first roundabout now. It's quite a large roundabout. It's not even round, it's actually a funny shaped one, this one. 4 exits in total, and we're going to be taking the third exit, so it's a right approach. So as we get a bit closer, we're going to be checking our mirrors, we're going to be changing our position, we're going to be putting our signals on. It might not be in those orders, but the mirrors will always come first. So roundabout's coming up after this next bend. I got a vehicle behind me at the moment and I can see there's people jogging in front. So I'm going to go rear and right mirrors and I'm going to start to change my position first. Vehicle behind now knows where I'm going, so I'm going to put my right indicator on. Gentle brake for the woman in front. I can see over the roundabout, nothing's going to be blocking anything coming from my right, so I'm not going to press the gas pedal unless I'm going, and I'm going. So because I start on the right, I stay to the right hand side. If you have problems judging the curb, just place your door mirror on top of the roundabout as you're going around it. Don't forget your rear and left mirrors and your left indicator to come off these roundabouts. Make sure it's safe. If it's not safe, you can go round that roundabout all day if you wanted to, and everybody will just wait for you to go round. They won't hinder you at all. So the next roundabout now we're coming up to is a little bit smaller, but it's a little bit faster. There's multiple lanes on approach. It's multiple lanes coming from my left and my right. There's multiple lanes coming from in front. So we need to just be a little bit more aware, and we're going to be going straight ahead, second exit. So as I come into this bend now, I'm going to check my rear, I'm going to check my left, because I know that there's 2 lanes on approach, and I'm going to get myself straight into position. Here comes a roundabout. I've got a zebra crossing on in front and a zebra crossing on the exit. So I'm checking my rear and my left mirrors again. Nobody on the zebra crossing, but I'm going to use the zebra crossing as the first giveaway line if there's something not going to stop me. There we go. So we go straight out, rear view mirror, left indicator, nobody on the zebra crossing, and away we go. Right mirror to come out around these parked cars. So we've got a bit of a drive to the next one. It's probably about half a mile away. So may as well take the opportunity. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the reminder button, the little bell icon. Any support I get from you is good support, whether it's just comments. It all helps YouTube's algorithm. Just keep supporting the best you can. That's all I can ask from anyone, and I do hope that my videos are actually helping you. Back to the drive. So still got vehicles parked left and right. I got plenty of room to come through here. I'm not going to overthink this and over explain it. Just going to check my mirrors every now and again just to make sure that everything's all safe and good to go. Zebra crossing in front. There's nobody on the left of it, and there's nobody on the right of it. Check my rear view mirror anyway, just in case somebody runs from the house or from this Premier Fireplaces on the left hand side. They're not sponsoring me, by the way. Park vehicles again, check my right mirror. So after the next bend, I'm going to go under a bridge, and we've got the final roundabout, which is first exit to the left. So there's 2 lanes on approach. Left lane goes left, right lane goes right. So just before I go into the bend, I'm going to check behind me. I've got a vehicle behind it, about 2 or 3 cars away. Just need to know what's around me, just so I can plan everything. As I come around the bend, I'm going to see the lanes. So I'm going to go rear and left mirror, left position. I can see to my right, there's a gold car coming towards me, and it's going down close to the curb, so it's going to be taking his left, so I'm able to go. Check my rear view mirror just as I exit, just so I know what's behind me. So it was a short, sharp video on roundabouts. I hope that it does help you. If it doesn't, leave me a comment. I'd love to know why it doesn't help, and I can try and do a better video for you, but I'm sure I'll do another video on roundabouts at some point. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.